We are in a lounge in Athens. Yesterday, our flight was overbooked and we got kicked off. So we had to get a new one. I'm talking to the vlog. And so we're back at the airport. It's a bit loud in here, so I don't know if you can hear me. Sergio's drawing me. I'm about to read my book. We're leaving the bar. It's nearly 4 in the morning. The guy who checked us out said that he loves Venice Beach. And then he said, I've never been there, but I know it from GTA.
Sick to my stomach farm. Did you pop a yolk?
Did you pop a yolk? Fuine is, do you want?
Where's the racetrack?
Oh. I'm fluent! It's day 2. Today is August 16th. Yesterday there was dancing in the church, and today they have games. They do like tug of war at the beach, and then they have this one where like this huge wooden post sticks out of the beach, and they like grease it up with fat, I don't know, and then everyone lines up who wants to participate, and they have to like run across the log and grab this rubber chicken at the end of it. And if you are able to run all the way, grab the chicken before you fall into the water, then you win an actual chicken. Yeah, so we're going to the beach. The world champion. No way.
Mr. Miyagi, the receipt.
Have the best refund. First souvlaki of the season.
Cheers.
Gabas.
Mm-hmm. We force ourselves to stay up until... What time is it right now?
5:57.
6 a.m. to see this.
And there's a cat on the coaster that comes every sunrise and
Wait,
wants to
where's
be
your
pet.
friend?
He's on the toilet.
Oh, okay. You know, that 6 a.m. shit. Guys.
I'll wait to celebrate with you guys in a few days.
I can't wait till you get I didn't even see it, honestly. I just collapsed.
Is it what you wanted?
Your hair looks a little heavy. Yeah, you're gonna
Oh, God.
My fiance.
Let's go. Success.
I'm done crying because I've cried all the tears that there are to cry. There were a lot in there though. I let them out.
Everyone did. Dang, there's a big old rock on camera.
No.
Hey, why is there a
Hey, you guys are like siblings.
I can't believe that shit.
Hey.
They already act like it. It reflects the light so nice. Private beach. Can you do a flip turn?
Yeah, I can actually.
That's not how you flip turn. What the heck is going on? I'm at my neighbor's house. My favorite neighbor. The loveliest person I know. And he's leaving for Germany. He's going home to Berlin tomorrow. He's closing up his house. He has an amazing view from his house. We live just 2 doors down, but we have another house in front of us that kind of blocks our view. Amazing. I spent so much time here drinking. back when I would actually party. And now we don't go as hard anymore. I can't.
Arizona. It rolls out another 10, it rolls out a few more cities.
We are home from Greece at the very best time, obviously. Life-changing things happened, huh, Lily? Yeah? Very happy we're home. Oh yeah. So she's already eaten, but see how she's like nudging me back into this corner? That's where her food is. You already ate dinner, love. Don't look at my smudgy mirror. I have never had 3 bunches of flowers, bouquets of flowers, at a time. These ones Sergio got me when we went to Trader Joe's after we got home from our trip. This is like my favorite bouquet I've ever had from Trader Joe's. They're always nice, but for some reason these roses, they were tall like these other 2, and they just like blossomed and expanded so much, and I wasn't anticipating that, and it's just like this perfect ball. And then last night we went out to dinner with some friends. They wanted to take us out to celebrate. My friend Issa brought me these to dinner. And I was not expecting that. It was such a sweet surprise, and they're so pretty, and I love that they're ombre. And then these I received today from our good friends, who also happen to be my bosses, Tim and Chia, and I'm obsessed. And I like that all 3 are so different, but they like work together well, you know? And that is my flower tour, my engagement flower tour. Huh, Lil, you like them? Yeah, she does. Are you a little chatty? Oh, whenever she does that, I call it a plop. If I scratch her butt like this, plop, plop, plop. While she's walking around, she'll just plop on the ground. Are you happy? Sergio's sister was taking care of Lily while we were gone. So I always know that she's in such good hands, but we miss her so much. I'm showered, skincare's on, so I'm looking super, super ultra oily. I'm just about to write in my journal. And I'm just gonna write all about my engagement and my experience, everything I'm feeling right now in the moment as I'm feeling it, because I feel like it's so important to capture these moments right now and not try to like write about it later and recall on previous memories. This journal I've set aside for like all memories pertaining to my 20s, and I would say that this is a pretty big one, so definitely gonna put it in here. After that, I'm just gonna be working on a proposal for a design project that I really want to be hired for. And then I have 2 options. I could watch TV or I could read my Kindle until Sergio is done with work in about an hour and a half. So I don't even know if I'll get to that point by the time he's done, but that's the goal. Then when he gets back here, we are finishing Me Before You. I'm making him watch it, and he's gonna cry his eyes out because he is a softie, which is why I love him. I have watched Me Before You many times. Makes me cry every time. But I was like, I want to read something that's that type of vibe for the flight to Greece. And I was reading up on some books in that sort of genre, and I saw Me Before You, and I was like, well, I've never actually read the book. Usually I don't like to do it backwards, where I read after I've already seen it, but it was so worth it. So amazing. The details that they left out on the movie were really interesting, the way that they were written out in the book. And so naturally, now I'm like, I want to watch it again. So that's what we're doing. And my throat feels so dry. I feel like a dried up sponge ever since we've got back from our trip. I feel like airplanes are just like giant petri dishes. But I mean, you just like do the best you can. And I clean my little area whenever I sit down. But I think I mentally think myself into being sick every time I like travel home. I was fine the whole trip. Here I am at home, not feeling well. I just realized I had the camera framed like this the whole time I was talking. I'm down here. The thing is, like, people are just so gross. I could roll around in the dirt all day, but I don't want to like have germs on me, because people like to use the restroom and not wash their hands, and then they're like wiping their hands on all the serving trays, fold down trays, and then I sit there next, you know? I'm a little delirious. Hey, I'm gonna write in my journal now. Bye.